This is the MX650, and today we're creating off the brake centers to make this thing wheelieable. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to take off the plastics and reach the battery compartment. So first, what you're going to need is a 3/8 Allen keys, and if you don't have that, the bike comes with a kit of tools. You need these Allen keys and that tool. So let's get started. What you guys need is this. Let's get down here. So you're gonna have to go, boom, lock onto that, grab this, start twisting. It should look like this. So now you're gonna need Allen keys for this ball right here. If you have taken your bike apart and you took that screw what's underneath the seat, then now it goes easier and you just have to remove that screw. If you haven't, then you're gonna have to remove this screw, that screw, and these two screws at the bottom. Let's get started here. I need to find the right one. You unscrew the screw. Underneath there's a rubber bearing you're gonna take out, and then you're gonna take out this. Make sure to put it in order and keep it on the table so you can memorize where it is. You can take it off. Alright, so now there are Allen keys and 2 screwdriver bolts. Okay, so you're gonna need this Allen keys because this one does not fit. So you need to find the right one. Over here, go slowly. We start undoing it. Don't forget when you're unscrewing it and when you're done, there's a bolt back here that you need to take. Make sure not to lose it, or if this one falls in there, then you're gonna have to take it out by hand when you're done this. Make sure to keep your screws in a good place. See, this is the bolt. Make sure to keep it on there so you remember where it goes. So what you're gonna need is a screwdriver. You can use this one, what comes in the set with the bike, or you can use one that you have around your house. I'm gonna use this one. Easier. We'll get this bottom one. Don't forget, same thing. There is another bolt at the back. You want to keep that. When you're done that one, you're gonna do this one. Done at the top, you gotta do this one. That one, don't forget this one. Between those screws, you can take this off. Boom. What I do is leave the screws on, because then if you take them off, you're gonna have to put them on. And when you took this off, there'll be some cables here. What you're gonna do is take them off. This one, so over here you gotta push down, here, push down, pull, and there you go. Okay, so these two are and these are the brake sensors. So you're gonna take this one out, and if you want both, take this one out too. For wheeling, you don't need the front brake, so I'm gonna plug back the front brake in.
Once you're done taking all of this apart, look how sick this looks. You got a gutted bike and a pretty sick work table. Look at that.
Time to put it all back. Okay, so first we're gonna start with these two. Now we're gonna bring them over here. First, we're gonna start with this one with the screws in. We're gonna line them up with the holes. Place them in. Now, since you put all the screws in, you're gonna come to the other side with this. Before you put it on, you want to connect all the wires. So first, this one's gonna go on with this one. Second, this one is gonna go onto this one. And this is the last one. They're all a different size, so it makes it easier to put it in. You're gonna put this on, just like that. You're gonna hold it from this side, and you're gonna try to put the bolts in. Try to put the screws in the bolts. And you're gonna place it, tighten one screw, and then you're gonna do the rest. So what I like to do, instead of tightening these bottom ones and top, I like to start off with these two at the top, very top. So you want to take those two bolts off, place them on the ground. And the top off. And place the screw through there. And make sure these cables are in, because you don't want them cutting. So it's quite struggling getting in here. Okay, once you get it in, you need one of these. Place it in. You're gonna screw it in a little. And you're gonna push it in. And then you're gonna grab your Allen key. Grab the one what you need. And then you're gonna screw it in. If you want to do burnouts, you want to unclip this one. So we're going to do burnouts, so we're going to clip that one. You have this, you got to put it in through there. You got to tighten it. Oops. You're done that, you do the same thing to the bottom. Those four, you're gonna put your screw through there. You grab this, place it behind, grab an Allen key, and tighten it. Once you're done tightening that bolt, you come over here, grab this, and then you place it on. Once you see these hooks, see those two, they need to line up on that. So first place it on, push it back, then push it in, and then make sure to pull it up a little. If it doesn't, then it's hooked up. And then next, grab your two bolts. First start off with the front. Make sure, put this one under. Make sure it doesn't go flying under, because you're gonna have a hard time getting that. You should get in the hole too. What you wanna do is grab your Allen key and put it in. Oops. goodness that didn't fall in. That would end up bad. Okay. Let's find the Allen key. Put it in. Make sure you line it up. Start tightening it. Leave it loose a little, so you putting in the back ones. You have to move it. When you put it in there, put both in each hole. Make sure they're lined up. Got those in, you want to put that just in there like that. You want to grab your Allen key, wrong way. Put it like that. Move your, if you have a light there, you gotta move it back so you can actually reach over here. Place it there and start tightening it. Okay, once you're done that, you want to move to the second one. Same thing. You want to put the ball behind it. Start screwing it in. And now, when you're done that, you can come back to the top with your Allen key. Come back to the top and tighten this down. Okay, so when you're done that one, you do this one.
Alright, so plugged it in, make sure it works.
Ready to wheelie the bike.
Alright, and this is how you do a burnout. Hold down back brake and pull the trigger.